What's up guys, and welcome back to another video here at Avda Customs. So yeah guys, today we'll be taking out the starter of the Sentra, and we got Brent here going today, Mr. Avdak himself also. So yeah guys, be working on his daily, on his brakes done. I also might give this car a wash, man, bro, man. That car is dirty, yeah, it's like dirty, but anyway, we're gonna get cracking on taking the starter out now. It's a bit of a mission, but yeah guys, stay tuned, we're having fun today. Let's make sure you get out. So yeah guys, there you have it. We just off to the spare shops now to get the brakes for the i20 and maybe the brushes for the Sentra, but it doesn't smell like it is. The brushes do look okay, but yeah man bro, let's go get the brakes. Let's work on this car a little, and now I would want to start drizzling shenanigans of today. Onward! Guys, we just got the brakes now. I just opted not to buy the brushes because Grant does have another starter, so I'm rather gonna go fetch that starter, test it out first, because the brushes on that starter does look fine, but now it boils down to the solenoid. But the armature didn't look no way. But anyway, we off again. Try and do brakes in the rain. So yeah guys, I'm back at home. Me and Brent opted not to install his new brakes on the car. Instead, I took the starter off and then I cleaned everything up because the brushes seem to be fine. It's giving a grounding out sound, man. Like the car starts when it wants to. So I think it might be the solenoid that's on its way, but now the spare shops are currently closed and I can't do anything about it, so I just reassembled the starter again. So now I'm busy putting it back. So yeah guys, this is me probably heading to a fail, but yeah, let's go. Cup of coffee a day keeps the doctor away. So yeah guys, now for the moment of truth. Like I said, I don't know if it is a solenoid, but the brushes look fine, so I'm gonna see now if it does start up. Oh, battery cool. Flat. So yeah guys, I don't know why, but the battery is now flat, so got another battery, so I'm gonna just put it in now. Immobilize the problem. It's a good thing to have, but it can be annoying as well. So, hi guys, it's now 2 days later, and we tried fixing the previous starter of the car, the older starter that's inside the car, but it just didn't want to budge. So I got hold of another starter and I opened it up and checked out what was wrong, and one of the brushes was just a tad bit short, so I just spaced it up so I can use like the full potential of, you know, the brushes. So yeah, I tested the starter works, but I didn't put it in the car yet. So I'm gonna do that now, and then from there I'm gonna check if everything works. So I'm gonna put you guys in a time lapse while I'm doing that. So yeah, I hope you guys are like enjoying the footage so far. So yeah guys, let's go. guys, I managed to get the starter back inside. Took me longer than expected, but okay, everything can't go as like you planned it out to go. So yeah, I just put the starter back quickly, tie down everything, and yeah, time to see if she starts up. Like this weird sound, like when I started up, and did that. I don't know if you guys heard that, but so far so good. We need to switch it off and try it again. Okay, so now that she starts up and everything, there's another issue that I wanted to address. But before I do that, I'm just going to put the battery bracket back. And the other issue that I have, I'll just show you guys quickly, is that right there, shooting up a whole lot of sand to the fuse box when the road's wet, and that causes the indicators to go haywire. I do have the part in the boot for that, the cover. So yeah guys, let's just go in maybe and just put that cover back and see what it does in the future. So yeah guys, this is the cover, the dust cover that's supposed to be in there, because the car was in a slight dingling previously. We took this out and tried to repair whatever needed to be repaired, and we didn't put this back, so I'm gonna take the liberty of putting it back now. So yeah guys, enjoy. And just like that, we are all done, guys. I just basically need to put the battery back. I didn't get to it yet. Whew, pretty much out of breath. So yeah, guys, I'm pretty chuffed of how everything came out. And I managed to get that cover back there because that was like, it was working on my nerves for the fact that the fuse box is getting wet and the indicators are going haywire when you switch them on. But yeah, guys, car's pretty dirty. The weather's not that great also, so I don't think I'll be washing this car now. So yeah, guys, you know what to do. Hit that like, subscribe, and send and share with friends and family so we can get more content going. So yeah, for now, guys, I'm out, and yeah, see you in the next one.